Hey everyone, it's me. I am bored. It's official, I'm bored. Still missing the family. Just got a text from my parents saying that they miss me. Um, so this is going to be a short get ready with me. I'm doing a video call with a couple of friends later, and we're going to do kind of a night out in kind of thing because we can't go anywhere, everywhere's closed. We are self-isolating, so we're going to get all dressed up and makeup on and hair done, and we're going to have drinks over FaceTime. I can finally get a bit glammed up, and there's actually a reason. So the other girl that's in the flat here, she has allowed me to borrow a couple of her Morphe palettes. I've wanted a Morphe palette forever, but as everybody knows, I'm broke and can't get them. I also have some makeup in the mail, which I can't really wait for. The office is closed here, so I can't get any deliveries. I'm meant to have a care package kind of thing coming, and a couple of bits of makeup from my beauty brand. I do also have a highlighter from my beauty brand, which I'm desperate to try, but it's back at home. Of course it's back at home. I already have base makeup on, so foundation, concealer, bronzer, blusher. So that's all done. But basically I need to do... what do I need to do? I think I'm going to do eyebrows first, eyeshadow, highlighter, lips. This could change. Right, let's get into it. First I'm going to use Brow This Way by Rimmel. It's in the shade Blonde. I think it's a really good dupe for the Benefit version of this that I can't seem to think of. Goof Proof, probably. It's way cheaper. I've managed to find this extremely cheap online, and when I bought it I actually got a couple of them because it was that cheap. Just give these brows a comb through, mainly so I can see where the actual shape is meant to be. I also have one that's like a million times better than the other, and it changes daily. Right, finally onto the eyes, because I've spent way too long on my eyebrows. I have NYX's white eye primer, which is the one I use when it's like bright makeup. I don't tend to use it if I'm just doing like quite a neutral look. Cool, that's that first step done. Now to find all of the brushes that will probably be needed. I've got like 5 brushes, 3 of which are double-ended, which is a godsend, but I need to clean them before I do anything. These sponges, like you can get them at loads of places now, I think Primark does them. They are a godsend. Like if you're wanting to use the same brush for multiple different colours and you don't want it to get all muddy in there, just give it a whirl and it gets clean. It's amazing. Only works for powder stuff though, as a disclaimer, just in case anyone does something stupid. Actually, if you got another one and used it for like wet stuff and used it for the actual washing bit, I guess it could work actually. I'm not sure though. The palette that we've got to work with here is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at all those amazing colours. I'm so happy I get to play with these. My camera just stopped. If you haven't seen already, I'm putting like a yellowy, dusty, deserty kind of colour on my eye at the moment as the crease and kind of like the, what I call the blending agent. I'm gonna get a flushy brush, apparently. A fluffy brush. And I'm gonna blend that quickly. Gonna wipe these off, and then, what colour do I want? I want all the colours of the rainbow. I think I'm gonna use this colour. It's kind of like an orangey, and I think that might be good in the crease. So I'll do this with the same brush that I used before, just in a smaller radius. I'm gonna put this pinky, purpley kind of colour, magenta probably. This magenta-y, pinky purple right now. I'm gonna put that in the crease as like the darkest colour in the crease. So I've got this little tapered brush, kind of goes into like almost a point. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'll give it a little bit of a blend, but not a great deal. I'm gonna put that as tight as I can to the last line on the bottom here, with whatever's left. Just kind of tie in the whole thing. Betrayed. Right, I think I've done like the crease and under eye. But now I'm going to do a cut crease. So I've got my white primer again, and I've got this little brush which I can squidge down and make as flat as humanly possible, to just carve in this crease. Right, back to the Jaclyn Hill. I think I'm going to use this beautiful turquoise. So I had my usual fluffy brush, which is now dusty, and the other side has a applicator side. I find this one's probably one of the better ones that I've got. Oh my god. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm in love. I might have to steal these. Now I'm going to use the dark blue shade to kind of give it a bit more depth on the outer corners. I'm officially in love. Right, I'm going to go back to that purple and just redefine that crease a little bit. Amazing. Cool. I'm finally done with these palettes, and I really don't want to give them back. I think this requires a wing. So I'll do that in a bit, because you guys don't need to see that. Most people know how to do a wing. I might do a specific wing tutorial, which would be like a minute or so, but we'll see how things go. I'm gonna put some highlighter on whilst I still have battery. So I think for the inner corners I'm going to do blue, and everywhere else is going to be a pinky, champagne-y kind of colour. I keep forgetting there's a camera out there and I keep putting it in the way. I have to say, I look amazing. I do. Right, lip liner. Bit of lip. It says it's lip gloss, but it's quite a good like satin finish liquid lipstick, in my opinion. I think I look amazing right now, but I'm going to do a bit of eyeliner, mascara, lashes, do my hair, and we'll be back. See you in a minute. Beautiful, yay! Oh my god, those Morphe palettes were amazing. If someone could gift me them, that would be nice. I know it's not gonna happen. I'm actually ready early, which is weird. Like, I'm 3 hours early. I really hope this helped with your boredom, because it certainly helped with mine. Don't forget to like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you want any links for my social media pages, they're just down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!